No heat? No problem. Royal Mechanical LLC is a licensed, bonded, and insured company that specializes in heating and air conditioning. At Royal Mechanical, customer satisfaction is our #1 priority, and therefore we're striving for excellence and good customer service. Our company provides our customers with 24-hour emergency service without any after-hour fees. We specialize in furnaces, fireplaces, radiant heat, heat pumps, tankless water heaters, air conditioning, and many more. Call us and see how you can save. Royal Mechanical LLC. Call us or visit us online at www.royalmechanicalllc.com.